weird the motor just stopped. Oh! Oh! No, wait! No! I don't have a rear bumper now. Wait, I've got to get a picture in. You go!
Oh, oops.
Oh no! The crease! Oh no! Oh, TA!
It doesn't take me long to crash, does it?
Look at it from the back!
No.
I can't undo it. Your limb riser.
It's dug into a bit of plastic, so you have to pull the pins out.
Remember, I don't have a rear bumper. This is so on there.
Push the body down a bit around it.
Oh god, no, you're wedged in between the chassis and the spring.
We're ready to go backwards?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Wow. Hasn't broken anything, is it?
No, it doesn't seem to have.
Sorry.
Thing, but it's not open to all the electronics.
Got a big stick stuck in the bottom of it. There we go.
Look at it churning.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of partially churned already.
The back wheel though, look, in the
yeah.
bottom.
I'm getting smashed. If I turn the diff box off, I can come around there in one go without any problem.
I wonder if I can get that on.
Oh, saves it.
Let's whack the cow.
You are in shock.
Actually, no, I think this will be fine. It doesn't roll sideways.
Well, it doesn't look that deep actually there, does it?
No, it's
you don't know what the mud's going to do underneath though, do
how
you?
it enters.
Oh, yeah, look at that look. See, fortune favours the brave, doesn't it?
Yeah, mate.
You've got wellies on, haven't you? See, I can risk it.
Do I wait and see or what? No. My motor won't do that. Bobby reacts for the win. Rock motor not for the win when it comes to that. Coming this side for some mud pocket. yeah. Here we go. Oh, mate. What a slow-mo shot that's going to be.
So I'm stuck now, aren't I?
Come on in your Land Rover.
Well, I was doing fine until I got to someone's holes.
Crawl or speed?
Drag race, isn't it?
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! Right, change lanes. 2, 1, go! Oh, look at the back wheel. Wait a sec, wait, I get it.
Little picture. Right.
Go. Cool. So we'll do one going away, and then that could be a good selection of muddy.
Yeah.
Going through. Excuse me. I'm going to fall over before I get to the car. Oh no. I'll wait for you and we'll try it together. This really is a concentration one.
Round the tree.
And then try that going back up.
Up it. Oh, nicely done.
Yeah, mate. Oh, hang on. Uh-oh. Yeah, go on FTX. Proud of that one.
I can't go up this bit.
I'm proud of that one. There you go. Oh, your tyre's off the bead.
Oh.
I got tools. It's only Allen keys.
Yeah. Yeah, 2.5 round keys. I've got one anyway. It's not off the bead, it's just run out of air. Got a puncture.
That's quite a good obstacle going up that. I was impressed to... It is getting some abuse today.
Yeah, that's muddy.
Yeah, that's what I've just struggled to get.
Mike's found himself a proper muddy hole. Rescue on. Take up the strain. Wow.
Turning ice cream. Hang on, no wait, no, listen.
You got smoke, mate. You got smoke.
Nice. Nah. She dead. Something's dead anyway.
Yeah.
Oh. Do you know what I reckon from the way the motor was honking? I reckon it's done what the other one did and has chundered its front bearing. The same company. And that was the same, wasn't it?
Yeah, but he used it. So that's the second time we've used it.
So was the other one.
Oh.
They're like 12 quid. It's so muddy to have a look at it. Anyway, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
As far away from the cars as we can get. Wonder what it's broken, because it's only one gear that's still plastic.
Well, to be fair, if you
Oh my days, I can't even pick that up. Hang on. Go on, give it a go. Nah. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, look.
If you just rinse it off in some
Look at that though.
It's like half a board and mud
She's
track
met
stuff in
her
the front.
match.
Yeah.
Just use the other battery heading back towards the car, assuming it is just my plastic gear. Oh, this is going to be grim in here.
Yeah, I don't think Grim's going to be quite the right word.
Oh. Gross. But yeah, there's all kinds of noises coming out of that gearbox.
Yeah, something in there that...
Second surpass motor where the whole shaft goes sideways. See at the back with the fan moving, look. Shouldn't do that. Backwards. Oh, mate. It's that front diff. Something's gone, it's chipped a tooth or something in that front diff. It'll work, but it obviously has done something in that, hasn't it?
We'll just start heading back then, shall we?
Yeah.
Annoyingly tricky, now broken ledge of doom.
Annoyingly now slightly broken FTX.
Yeah, it's still got this. I've got to bring some secateurs one day and take that stick out of the way because that's really annoying.
I'm not going to attempt it until I'm standing where you are.
Yeah.
I don't want to go that way though.
That's the key, isn't it? Not falling the other way. Is it?
It definitely is something geary.
Oh, yeah. Move on down this crumbling slope.
My fault that I kept dragging it and it was stuck.
Oh, oh Christ. Wellies are such a good idea.
I could still fall over though.
Yeah, but at least I've clean feet.
Right, let's have a go.
Hold on.
Well, I think it might just be dry because it's like, it's still working, it's not like locking up.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know, is this walkable for you or not?
Oh, that's hard. I was expecting softer. Go from the outside bit, it's dry. The ridge bit's dry and hard, mate.